Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to save one page of a PDF to 2024. So open your Adobe Acrobat first. Now choose the PDF you want to save one page. Now you have to click on this tools option, which is top left corner. Then you'll find here organize pages. Click on this organize pages. Now choose the page you want to save. I want to save this page, so you have to just click on this page and then you'll find here extract. Click on extract, click extract again, and you can see that this page has been separated. Now you have to click on file on which is top left corner and click on save as, and you can name it. Click on this save and your PDF will be saved. That one page will be saved. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.